Dr. Kannan Prema, plastic surgeon. I do plastic surgery, which is reconstructive surgery, regenerative surgery, that is stem cell surgery, and cosmetic surgery. I always wanted to be a doctor. Being a doctor is a passion. When I entered into this field, I saw so much of suffering. People with wounds, people losing limbs. So I wanted to add something to this specialty. I wanted to give something back to the society. That's why I chose wound care as my primary field, being a plastic surgeon. In plastic surgery, we do reconstruction, that is whatever is lost, we bring back the parts and the function. So my specialty is wound care and saving the limbs, upper limbs, lower limbs, and whatever kind of infection it is. And of course, being a lady plastic surgeon, we have a predominant women population who requires private surgeries. So I concentrate on women plastic surgery, that is women cosmetic surgery like liposuction, the breast surgeries, the tummy tuck surgeries, the cosmetic gynecology. Giving the best to the society. Thank you very much.